This laptop is confusing, but insanely powerful. i9 plus i3 gaming laptop review. Stop scrolling, because this might be the most confusing gaming laptop you've ever seen. It claims to have BOT, an Intel Core i9-10980HK, and an Intel i3-6100U in a 15.6-inch Windows 11 Pro gaming laptop. So the real question is this a hidden performance beast? Or just marketing hype? Stay with me because what I discovered about this laptop will surprise you. At first glance, it looks like a normal gaming laptop. But when you see the specs, you start asking, how can one laptop even have these processors? And that's exactly what we're going to break down today. We've got 15.6-inch Full HD display, Windows 11 Pro, Intel Core i9-10980X, Intel Core i3-6100U. Yes, that's interesting. 16 gigabytes RAM, 512 gigabytes SSD, Fingerprint Unlock security. But here's the real question. Which CPU is actually doing the work? Now, let's talk gaming. If the i9-10980HK is active, you're looking at smooth AAA gaming, high FPS performance, strong multitasking power. But if the system switches or limits performance, you might experience something very different. And this is why so many people are searching this laptop right now for office and study use. This laptop gets even more interesting. Imagine fast SSD boot times. 16 gigabytes RAM multitasking. Windows 11 Pro security features. It sounds like the perfect work plus play machine, but there's still more you need to know before buying. Because here's the truth most people miss. Not all laptops are what they look like on paper, and sometimes specs can be confusing on purpose. So, is this one of those cases? Or a hidden budget powerhouse? If you want the FUL breakdown, benchmark tests, and real performance results, check the link in the description below for all details. And now I need your opinion. Comment below. Do you think a laptop with i9 plus i3 is real performance or just marketing confusion? I read every comment, and I want to know what you think. And if you enjoy honest tech reviews like this, subscribe is completely free. Yes, free. It helps the channel grow, and I'll keep bringing more laptops, gaming tests, and real reviews. Don't forget to like this video, turn on notifications. Share with someone who is looking for a gaming laptop, because this might help them avoid a bad purchase. And trust me, the next video I'm working on is even crazier than this one. So make sure you stay tuned.